Today we're going over an ankle mobilization exercise. So this is really important to improve range of motion of the ankle, which helps how our body transfers forces from the ground and how they get kind of impacted all the way up our kinetic chain into our knees, our hip, and our low back pain. So really important if we do have limitations in our ankle range of motion to perform. It's pretty easy. We're just going to have a band. You can also do it close to a wall. The idea is that we just have something that we're reaching towards, but we're going to start in this lunge position, just like that. We're gonna keep our heel on the ground here, and then we're gonna drive our knee forward. So you can see right about there, I can touch the pole, so all I'm gonna do, move the pole a little bit further out. Again, keeping that heel on the ground, reaching our knee, so I can touch there. So we're gonna move the pole a little bit further out, just until that point where I'm really having to reach. And where you feel is, again, some tightness right here in the front of the ankle as we really reach to, again, get that ankle dorsiflexion back. Now, the one thing we want to watch is where we put this back knee. So what we don't want as we're lunging forward is to feel that limitation. A lot of times if you have type hip flexors, this will limit you and not the ankle range of motion. So if that's the case, just bring that back knee a little bit closer. So we're making sure that all that range of motion is being right at the ankle. There you have it. That's the ankle mobilization exercise. Thanks for watching.